The world is changing. Every day we witness new advancements that reshape our reality. From the way we communicate to the way we work, technology is at the forefront of this transformation. Technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate. Innovations that once seemed like distant dreams are now integral parts of our daily lives. The rapid pace of technological growth is both exciting and challenging, pushing us to adapt and evolve continuously. Artificial intelligence, once a figment of science fiction, is now a reality. AI systems are becoming more sophisticated, capable of performing tasks that were once thought to be uniquely human. From complex problem-solving to creative endeavors, AI is breaking new ground. AI is weaving its way into various aspects of our lives, from self-driving cars to medical diagnoses. These advancements are not just enhancing efficiency, but also opening up new possibilities that were previously unimaginable. One area where AI's impact is being felt profoundly is education. The traditional classroom is evolving, integrating technology to create a more dynamic and interactive learning environment. Students are now using tablets and smartboards, making learning more engaging and accessible. This transformative technology is poised to revolutionize how we learn and teach. Virtual reality headsets are transporting students to different worlds, while robotic teaching assistants are providing personalized support. The potential for AI in education is vast and largely untapped. The question on everyone's mind is, can AI replace teachers? While AI can assist in many ways, the role of a teacher is multifaceted, involving not just the transfer of knowledge but also emotional support, mentorship and inspiration. AI can complement but not replace the human touch. The answer, like the universe itself, is complex and multifaceted. AI holds immense potential to enhance education, but it is the synergy between technology and human educators that will truly create a new dawn in education. As we navigate this evolving landscape, the focus should remain on harnessing the best of both worlds to foster a brighter future for learners everywhere. AI is already making its presence known in classrooms around the world. From elementary schools to universities, the integration of artificial intelligence is transforming the educational landscape in unprecedented ways. Educational apps and software are using AI to personalize learning experiences. These intelligent systems can adapt to the unique needs of each student, providing customized lessons and exercises that cater to their strengths and weaknesses. This level of personalization was once a dream, but now it's becoming a reality. Imagine a world where each student has a virtual tutor available 24/7, tailoring lessons to their individual pace and learning style. These AI tutors can provide instant feedback, helping students understand complex concepts in real time. They can also offer additional resources and practice problems, ensuring that students have all the tools they need to succeed. AI can also analyze student performance data, identify areas where students are struggling, and provide targeted support. By examining patterns in the data, AI can pinpoint specific topics or skills that need more attention. This allows teachers to intervene early and offer the necessary help before small issues become significant problems. This data-driven approach can help teachers identify knowledge gaps and tailor their instruction to meet the specific needs of their students. By leveraging AI, educators can create a more dynamic and responsive learning environment. This not only enhances the educational experience for students, but also empowers teachers to be more effective in their roles. The future of education is here, and AI is at the forefront of this exciting transformation. The fear that AI will render teachers obsolete is understandable. However, this fear is misplaced. AI is not here to replace teachers, it is here to empower them. Think of AI as a sophisticated tool, like a calculator or a microscope, that can enhance a teacher's capabilities. AI can automate tedious tasks, such as grading, freeing up teachers to focus on what they do best, inspiring, motivating, and mentoring their students. While AI can excel at delivering information and providing personalized feedback, it lacks the human touch that is so crucial to the learning process. Teachers provide emotional support, encouragement, and inspiration that AI, at least in its current form, cannot replicate. A teacher can sense when a student is feeling discouraged, celebrate their successes, and provide a listening ear when needed. These human interactions are fundamental to creating a positive and supportive learning environment. Section 5. Personalized learning. Tailoring the educational experience. Personalized learning is one of the most promising applications of AI in education. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data about each student, including their learning style, strengths, weaknesses, and interests. This data can then be used to create personalized learning paths that cater to the unique needs of each student. Imagine a classroom where every student is engaged and challenged at their own level. Section 6. Adaptive learning, responding to individual needs. Adaptive learning takes personalization a step further. AI-powered platforms can adjust the difficulty of the material in real time based on the student's performance. If a student is struggling with a particular concept, the platform can provide additional support or adjust the pace of instruction. This dynamic approach to learning ensures that students are neither bored nor overwhelmed, keeping them engaged and motivated. Section 7. Ethical considerations navigating the AI frontier. As with any transformative technology, the integration of AI in education raises ethical considerations. It is crucial to ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically in educational settings. Data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the potential for widening existing inequalities are just some of the issues that need to be carefully addressed. Section 8. Equitable access, bridging the digital divide. For AI to truly benefit all students, equitable access to technology is paramount. The digital divide, the gap between those who have access to technology and those who do not, must be bridged. This means ensuring that all students have access to the necessary devices, internet connectivity, and digital literacy skills to thrive in an AI-powered educational landscape. Section 9. The future of education, a human-AI partnership. The future of education is not about choosing between AI and teachers. It is about integrating the strengths of both to create a more dynamic and effective learning environment. Imagine a classroom where AI handles the administrative tasks, freeing up teachers to focus on what they do best, teaching and mentoring students. It is about creating a powerful synergy between the two. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to provide insights into student performance, helping teachers to tailor their instruction to meet the needs of each individual student. This collaboration can lead to a more personalized learning experience, where students receive the support they need to succeed. AI can enhance, but not replace, the irreplaceable role of human educators. Teachers bring empathy, creativity, and a deep understanding of their students' needs, qualities that AI cannot replicate. By working together, teachers and AI can create a more engaging and effective learning environment. The ideal educational landscape will see teachers and AI working together, leveraging each other's strengths. AI can handle repetitive tasks, analyze data, and provide insights, while teachers can focus on building relationships, fostering critical thinking, and inspiring creativity. This partnership can lead to a more holistic approach to education, where students are not only knowledgeable but also well-rounded individuals. To create a more engaging, personalized, and effective learning experience for all students. With AI, lessons can be tailored to each student's learning style and pace, making education more accessible and inclusive. Teachers can use AI to identify students who may need extra help and provide targeted support, ensuring that no student is left behind. The future of education is bright, and AI will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in shaping it. As we move forward, it is essential to embrace this partnership and explore the endless possibilities it offers. Together, teachers and AI can transform education, making it more effective, inclusive, and inspiring for future generations. Share your thoughts in comment section and don't forget to like and subscribe.